that domestic violence is really more of a social problem than a psychological problem. It is really a socially sanctioned means of seeking power and identity, and using gender as a means for seeking this power and identity. In Jamaica, the problem is especially great because we're in a society that was founded on violence, the violence of slavery. Especially great because it is a society where the male from the beginning was disempowered and marginalized, and that this is still continuing to a great extent today. In the last couple of years, the problem has magnified. There is a 49% increase in the cases dealt with by the Women's Crisis Center. The rate of domestic violence reported by the police, I would say between last year and this year, has increased some 40%.